Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Cook it, cut it, measure it, crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Cook it, cut it, measure it, crack. That's that.
About to go ahead and check out Soul Revival. I'm here with Cool Kicks. Cool's looking for a shoe right now. Let's go ahead and see if they got it. Let's go ahead and see. Go walk inside. Here up in the building, we got Cool. We're gonna talk to him a little bit when we get outside, but we're here in Soul Revival right now, about to look around and see if we find anything in particular. They do got the blue ones on deck here. $199, $200 for a size 13 for the blue Yeezy slides. Shoes and see if they have anything super spectacular. You guys can at least check the prices to see if this is something good for you guys. We know these are sitting everywhere, so let's go ahead and see what they're talking about. Yes, $219 for a Panda inside a resale shop. When we've been seeing these sit around everywhere. Shout out to this store because they are cool people, but I mean, that's crazy price for a Panda. Got this dunk right here for you dunk heads, size 7.5, $199 on the retail for these. Place that had the room for everything under 95 bucks. A lot of good steals in here too. Before we get in there, look at this though. These Jordan 4s, definitely clean. Pinnacle Jordan 4, size 8.5, $329. I don't recall seeing these, man. When did these even release? They do have some slides here, a few other things, Jordan retros, of course. Some pennies in here too, pretty clean. What size is this? Size 9 for 99 bucks on the pennies. Jordan 2s, this definitely looks like a size 13 right here. Size 13 for 95 bucks on these Jordan 2s. You guys can take a look at some things. If I missed it, you know, let me know what you guys see in here. But there's a lot of dope stuff in here for $95 or less. Chicago's, looks like grade school. Got Carmine's down there. Command Force with like this denim on the upper, kind of denim vibes. Never seen these before ever in my life. Let me know what you guys think about these. Size 9 for $129. Colorway's not bad. Got that denim material right there. Pretty clean. Came up here with Cool Kicks. You guys see him doing his thing. Looking at some Jordans.
Got the 18s.
Okay, not too bad. Yeah, that colorway's pretty dope, bro.
In really good condition.
Yes, indeed. Make sure you guys check out Cool Kicks channel. We're here at Soul Revival, just checking it out, seeing what's going on. He actually had a dunk that he saw them post, and he's looking to see if they have it here. Haven't seen it yet? Okay. Let me give you guys some details on that, but make sure you guys check out his channel. Now, I do have a pair of these that I'm thinking about giving away. Damn, they got them here for $299? This is not DS, this must be used. The pair I got is brand new. Yeah, these are definitely used. $299, now that's cheap, bro, because I've seen these go for like $7, $8, $1,000. These have to be used. That's probably why they're only $299. If not, that's a steal right there. We're called seeing these in person. These LeBron 19 lows, size 9.5 for $139. It's the Atmos LeBron. Jordan 14 Thunders. Not a bad colorway, pretty good materials on these. Definitely a used pair. Size 9 for $120 on these. Jordan 5 Independence Day. You don't see these too often at all. Used pair right here. Clean used pair though. They want $295 for a size 9. This colorway is definitely on point though. For people to sleep on these, the Jordan 12 Twist for $250, size 8.5. Look at that leather quality. Definitely on point. Cool. What have you seen here so far? Anything interesting?
No. I know that the prices on a lot of the used stuff right now are very reasonable. So I'm looking around.
Okay.
They had some SB Golf Dunks that I saw yesterday online that I was hoping they had. I don't think they have them, but I still haven't talked to the workers yet. But
true.
But yeah, but they got some deals.
For sure.
Deals right now. Good time to buy used.
Of course, definitely good time to buy used for sure. Right on that, man. The used market is definitely on point right now. You definitely check out your used market for some of the shoes out here, especially if you guys don't want to pay the full retail for some stuff. Pretty clean selection here though. A lot of people slept on these Jordan 1s right here. Some pretty good quality on these. $250 for 8.5. This Soul Revival got the hoop back here too. Then of course you got like taupes. You got all kinds of stuff. The LeBron Air Max 95s. One side is used, the other side is new. Let's go ahead and check out over there and see what's up. Setup, got the grass here, bunch of Thunder 4s. You got Travis's here. Oh, so they got something here, an early look at the Crenshaw Skate Club Dunks. Let me know what you guys think about these, seeing these in hand. I know we got the plastic on them, but the quality definitely looks on point. This is what we like about them, the outsole. Definitely a clean dunk. I'm not mad at this colorway. They got Travis's here. They got a lot of heat right here, as you guys can see in this section. Just depending on what you're looking for. A bunch of pandas down there. Really good selection here, bro. They don't have too many whack shoes. Boom, boom. See what those are. You got Red Octobers here. What's up with these 5s? These are definitely on point, bro. Wow, size 7, the Freshmen of Bel Airs. Very limited pair right here. This colorway is definitely on point. $19.95. Dope selection all on the wall, man. Here on Fairfax, they definitely will have what you need. Just depending on what shoe you're looking for, bro. A lot of limited stuff, a lot of casual things. $7.99 for this Yeezy slide, bro. First time seeing this in hand, definitely different. Have these on deck as well. Size price for these is $7.99. It's a size 9.5 on these. Don't see too many good pair of these left around. The Red Octobers, bro. One of the most sought after shoes. Size 12, $800, bro. What do you guys think about that? $8,000, I mean. Woo! $9.99. Definitely fire. All over the spot. The Stussy Air Force Ones, $199. Definitely found these for retail at this finish line. I got these early. $300 for these unreleased DS Jordan 1. This is size 10 right here. Quality on here through the plastic definitely looks on point. Are you guys gonna pick these up when they actually drop? We got the Kobe's, the Bruce Lee's, in both colorways. Cherry 11s. This is the sell area, buy, sell, trade here. You guys have definitely seen me in this store before. Definitely a dope selection here. Of course, the most recent fire release of this year, 2023, $299 for a size 10.5 of the UNC toe Jordan 1 highs. $429 for the Dodger SB Dunks right here. All of the most recent releases, they got them here. That's what a resale shop is, and this is definitely one of the better ones out here in the LA area, especially over here. They go to all the conventions too. Split dunks. I've seen something else that a lot of people have been going crazy for. Let me know if you guys are going crazy for these too. Who's going after these? The Mac Attacks size 13 is going for $239. Not as bad as I've seen earlier. I've seen some people having these things listed much, much higher. I think this is actually a good price point, especially for a size 13 and low. These are Tokyos, right? Clean colorway too. Color combination is not bad. $229 for this Jordan low. Quality looks good. This is size 12 in hand. But you guys can see from large sizes on down, they got a lot of different things, a lot of heat here. And some of these are bigger than 13s. They're like 14s and 15s and 16s. But they got stuff here for everybody, bro. You just gotta come here and check it out and go down the wall. As you guys can see, a whole wall full of heat. As soon as you walk in, they got a lot of merchandise here that you guys can check out too. I don't know if this is all new or used, but look at this Supreme thing right here. Oh my goodness. This hoodie looks crazy. We're not even gonna look at the price tag on that because Supreme jersey style, a lot of Supreme, North Face, regular Supreme. A lot of dope stuff here as far as the clothing. If there's some brands you guys want me to come here and check out next time, let me know. This jacket right here is $219. The Gap puff jacket, the Yeezy stuff right there, I guess. This is only $199. Let me know if this is a good price for this sweater. $199 for this Supreme hoodie or sweater. Donda tee, $299. Donda, oh, RIP Donda. What's up?
So these sell for like $500-$600 brand new.
Okay,
They're
okay.
used, obviously they're not in the greatest condition. They're used for
They're cool
$250. $250.
$250. And they normally go for what?
These go for $500-$600.
$250 not bad on these though, because you can, you know how to clean shoes.
I've never cleaned suede.
Oh, okay. It's possible, but even like that,
they say all the cleaners and stuff. They say you can use
it for suede, definitely.
You can use it for suede. That's what they say. So I'm like, should I?
Normally $500-$600 DS.
The shape is good.
Suede is still good on there too.
Suede's okay.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah, it's not in great condition, but
$250. Those are still clean, man. You clean it off a little bit,
just
man.
like a year,
yeah.
Like, whoever
Normally
had these like wore the shit out.
Oh, okay. So they beat them up a little bit.
Should,
yeah, of course. Normally $500-$600. They got them on sale right now here for used pair, $250. I mean, they are still really clean. The quality does look pretty good. Me personally, because I do clean shoes too, I would probably touch them up and make them even better. But I'm not mad at that for $250. But it's just I don't know.
The cleaning will be that difficult?
I don't think so. I don't think so. With some of the new cleaners out there, I don't want to say no names, but with the cleaners out there, you can definitely doctor those up for sure. Those are clean. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is that a good deal? Shakur picked those up. Go ahead and let us know in the comment section below. Definitely a very nice dunk though. Got his size and everything. Comes with the OG box. Crazy situation here. Shout out to Cool Kicks. These SBs are very nice. Let me just get that outsole real quick. Very nice though, bro. I don't think you're making a bad decision on these at all, bro. You can clean the laces, the toe box, everything is good. We do the cleaning all the time, restorations and stuff. So I think Cool is doing a good job with this, bro. Check out his video, see the details on him getting them, the reason why he wants these. It's a pretty dope story. And these are probably like, it's a steal right here actually. Soul Revival definitely has a lot of good prices. As you guys might have seen earlier in the video, there was a couple shoes we came across. I was surprised at the prices they had the shoes listed at. So, like I said, follow them on Instagram because they always have deals listed there. Plus they have their whole under $95 section. So, they're placed on Melrose. Some things they're taxing for, but some things you can find some really good deals on. We're just going to continue to look around right now while Cool finalizes his decision. $99 for 11.5 of these Jordan 5s. Let me know your thoughts on them. Are these good prices for these shoes? Bad prices? Let me know your thoughts. Not familiar with these, you guys of course can let me know. $49 for 10.5. All here in case you want to shoot hoops or something like that. Got the hoop right here. Missing one already. Left-handed though. Just remember that, left-handed. Oh wait, can't get one off the bank shot? Wait, hold on. This is not looking good for me right now, y'all. Hold up. I'm gonna make it this time right here with the left hand. There we go, see? Third time's the charm. Have their own merch here too, Soul Revival trucker hats. You guys can come here and check them out. You guys wanna grab one, I don't know where the price is. Let's see. No price tags listed here, but I don't assume that they're too expensive. Pretty dope situation though. They got their own merch. Kobe's, size 13. What the? $5.49. Y'all feeling these Kobe's? Jordan 21s too often. They do have some pretty good colorways in this shoe. Let me know what you guys think about these 21s. $99 for a size 12. Tour Yellow Rare Airs here. These Jordan 4s. Definitely haven't seen these in a long time. Got the cracking midsole. These must be super old. $199 for these. Size 14. When last time y'all seen these? Crazy. Bad looking shoe. The Stussies. Give me your thoughts about these. I like this color combination. These are pretty clean right here. 119 for a size 11. These later on down the road, I like them. The All-Star 6s. I remember when these dropped. Easily passed on them. I don't have to have them, but I do think they are much better than they originally were. Fire red 4s on feet. Clean. These on deck too. $350. Damn, that Yeezy drop was hidden, isn't it? Union 4s here. Union LA 4s. $5.49 for this colorway. Fire red 4s. Dude just had those. They got these for $4.69. 9.5. She was actually cheaper than $95. $79 for a size 8. Out the bag, made a choice.
I paid resale.
Yeah, not bad though. Very good steal right there though, for sure. Not a bad colorway on these, man. Pretty dope. Cool cars. The Liberty colorway. Also looks crazy. $219 on the retail.
Alright, we're starting off with Foot Locker. We're talking about whether we should go to date or not.
They got these on deck. Now that I have more information from you guys, what are these, Chinese New Year? I believe that's what these are representing. This colorway is not too bad. I like the outsole too. Pretty clean Jordan 1 Low. Jordan 3 Palomino available. Their shades, the same kind of shade tone on the 5s and the 3s. Tube dunks that I've seen at a lot of stores lately. This colorway is something I thought would have sold out. $110 on the retail for these, and then they also got the Chicago split also. I've seen people trying to resell these a little bit, but I have seen them sitting in stores a little bit also. Briefly check out the women's section here. They do have some retros, well, at least 1 or 2 retros. They do got the Panda Lows. Most recent release, they do have the women's low, Jordan 1 Low UNC to Chicago. $140 on the retail for these. They do have these available. amongst everything else that you guys see here in front of you. They got UNC toes here also for grade school only though, unfortunately. What do you guys think about this Laker merchandise? Pretty dope. Like the red shirt, but I wouldn't get it because Lakers don't wear red. This dope ass John Morant Grizzlies tee right here. What's the retail price on it? Oh, you got a LaMelo Ball here, 55 bucks. All right, so these shirts might have to be gotten. I've seen the LeBron one already. We talked about it a little while ago in the Glendale Mall. $50 for these shirts. Definitely on point. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comments below. The selection here was pretty a little iffy, but we know what that is. A lot of retail stores have been like that. Cool's still inside right now checking out some stuff, but there was a pretty good selection in here. Of course, on Melrose, you're always gonna find a little something that you might not find at other stores. Go take a look over here at Shoe Palace across the street, if we can get across the street without getting hit by anybody.
That's like a Nintendo 64 cover.
Yeah, for real. Kind of dope. Jordan selection here, on point. Skylines, University, Blue Jordan 2 Lows, Lucky Greens, Cements, Cherry Woods. You don't see too many locations still having this Jordan Low. The University Blue Toe, I like that, man. This colorway's pretty dope too. Nothing really new, but they do have the latest releases. This is another one that you don't see at too many locations at all. Jordan 2 Low UNC. A lot of people did grab these up when they had the opportunity to. Let me know if you guys picked these up or not. Kyrie's here on sale for 69 bucks. I might have to scoop up a pair of 2 of these this week and get these out of here, you dig? Emerald Glow and the LeBron Generation, 2 dope releases. They also got the Kobe Hirachis here too early. 125 on the retail. Got some dunks here on deck too, same thing that we've seen across the street. We definitely seen these before, but if you didn't see that video and it's your first time seeing this up tempo, let me know what you guys think about these in the comments. I feel like this comfort is out that same pack of the up-tempo we just talked about. Definitely one of the best Jordan 12s. Definitely slept on. Women's exclusive colorway. One of the best Luka 1 colorways out there. Still full retail of 110 bucks. I just did a video talking about all the colorways of the Luka 1. Let me know which one's your favorite colorway. I'll link it in the description box. Make sure you guys check out that video. Printing this colorway out of Response with the canvas and suede material. 130 on the retail. Pretty clean. Materials on these Oswegos. Let me know what you guys think about these. This is for the women, 120 on the retail. And they got some Sambas right there, not bad either. Look at the colorway on this dunk. Look like the Bart Simpsons or something. The leather quality on here is crazy. Refurbished.